Southwestern. Adjective. Northeastern. 2. Region. Noun. Area, zone. Point, spot. 3. Surrounded. Verb. Enclosed, encircled. Exposed, open. 4. Arid. Adjective. Dry, barren. Fertile, wet. 5. Hills. Noun. Mountains, elevations. Valleys, plains. 6. Lies. Verb. Is situated, rests. Stands, rises. 7. Sacred. Adjective. Holy, divine. Profane, unholy. 8. Birthplace. Noun. Native land, origin. Place of death. 9. Word. Verb. Delivered, brought forth. Died. 10. AD. Abbreviation, noun. Anno Domini. BC. 11. Noble. Adjective. Honorable, aristocratic. Lowly, common. 12. Esteemed. Adjective. Respected, honored. Disinured, disrespected. 13. Clan. Noun. Tribe, family. Stranger, outsider. 14. Known. Adjective. Famous, recognized. Unknown, obscure. 15. Benefactor. Noun. Helper, supporter. Opponent, enemy. 16. Humanity. Noun. Mankind, humankind. Brutality, inhumanity. 17. Appeared. Verb. Emerged, came into view. Disappeared, vanished. 18. Engulfed. Verb. Overwhelmed, covered. Uncovered, exposed. 19. Ignorance. Noun. Lack of knowledge, illiteracy. Awareness, knowledge. 20. Moral. Adjective. Ethical, virtuous. Immoral, unethical. 21. Decay. Noun/verb. Decline, rot. Growth, development. 22. Social. Adjective. Communal, societal. Solitary, antisocial. 23. Fabric, / noun. Structure, framework. Disintegration. 24. Society. Noun. Community, civilization. Isolation, solitude. 25. Torn. Verb. Ripped, broken. Mended, fixed. 26. Tribal. Adjective. Ethnic, clan-based. National, universal. 27. Arrogance. Noun. Haughtiness. Pride. Humility. Modesty. 28. Widespread. Adjective. Common, prevalent. Rare, limited. 29. Injustice. Noun. Unfairness, wrong. Justice, fairness. 30. Humanity. Noun. Mankind, people. Cruelty, savagery. 31. Appeared. Verb. Showed, emerged. Disappeared. 32. Silently. Adverb. Quietly, noiselessly. Loudly, noisily. 33. Yearning. Noun/verb. Longing, desire. Indifference, contentment. 34. Dawn. Noun. Sunrise, beginning. Dusk, end. 35. Enlightenment. Noun. Awareness, illumination. Ignorance, darkness. 36. Divine. Adjective. Holy, godly. Demonic, ungodly. 37. Guidance. Noun. Direction, advice. Misguidance, confusion. One. Early. Adjective. Initial, preliminary. Late, final. 2. Marked. Adjective. Noticeable, distinct. Faint, unmarked. 3. Profound. Adjective. Deep, intense. Superficial, mild. 4. Personal. Adjective. Individual, private. Public, shared. 5. Loss, slash. Noun. Bereavement, deprivation. Gain, acquisition. 6. Passed away. Verb. Died, expired. Born, survived. 7. Before. Preposition slash conjunction. Prior to, earlier than. After, following. 8. Birth. Noun. Delivery, beginning. Death, demise. 9. Died. Verb. Passed away, perished. Lived, survived. 10. Orphaned. Verb slash adjective. Parentless, alone. Adopted, supported. 11. Such. Determiner slash pronoun. Like this, of that kind. Different, opposite. 12. Tender, slash. Adjective. Gentle, delicate. Harsh, rough. 13. Taken. Verb, past participle. Received, brought. Given, released. 14. Lovingly. Adverb. Affectionately, caringly. Harshly, coldly. 15. Cared. Verb. Looked after, nurtured. Ignored, neglected. 16. Until. Preposition slash conjunction. Up to, till. Since, after. 17. Later. Adverb. Afterwards, subsequently. Earlier, before. 18. Thereafter. Adverb. Afterwards, subsequently. Beforehand, previously. 19. Took. Verb, past tense. Assumed, accepted. Gave, refused. 20. Responsibility. Noun. Duty, obligation. Irresponsibility, neglect. 21. Upbringing. Noun. Raising, care. Neglect, abandonment. 22. Remained. Verb. Stayed, continued. Left, changed. 23. Steadfast. Adjective. Loyal, firm. Wavering, unfaithful. 24. Guardian. Noun. Protector, caretaker. Enemy, attacker. 25. Throughout, slash. Preposition slash adverb. During, all over. Nowhere, partially. 26. Youth. Noun. Adolescence, young age. Old age, maturity. Paragraph 3. No. English. One. Despite. Preposition. In spite of, although. Because of, due to. 2. Challenges, slash. Noun, plural. Difficulties, obstacles. Ease, advantages. 3. Orphanhood. Noun. Parentlessness, bereavement. Parentage, guardianship. 4. Grew, slash. Verb, past tense. Developed, matured. Shrank, declined. 5. Exceptional. Adjective. Extraordinary, outstanding. Ordinary, average. 6. Truthfulness. Noun. Honesty, sincerity. Dishonesty, deceit. 7. Humility. Noun. Modesty, humbleness. Pride, arrogance. 8. Generosity. Noun. Kindness, charity. Selfishness, greed. 9. Sense, slash. Noun. Awareness, perception. Ignorance, insensitivity. 10. Justice. Noun. Fairness, righteousness. Injustice, bias. 11. Interactions, slash. Noun, plural. Communication, dealings. Isolation, separation. 12. Reflected. Verb. Showed, mirrored. Hid, concealed. 13. Integrity, slash. Noun. Honesty, virtue. Corruption, dishonesty. 14. Gentleness. Noun. Kindness, tenderness. Harshness, cruelty. 15. Engaged, slash. Verb. Involved, participated. Ignored, avoided. 16. Honest. Adjective. Truthful, sincere. Dishonest, deceitful. 17. Fairness. Noun. Equity, justice. Partiality, unfairness. 18. Qualities. Noun, plural. Traits, attributes. Flaws, defects. 19. Earned, slash. Verb. Gained, achieved. Lost, wasted. 20. Universal, slash. Adjective. Worldwide, global. Local, limited. 21. Respect. Noun. Honor, admiration. Disrespect, insult. 22. Among, slash. Preposition. Between, amidst. Outside, beyond. 23. People. Noun, plural. Humans, individuals. Animals, not humans. 24. Bestowed upon. Verb. Granted, conferred. Withheld, denied. 25. Title. Noun. Name, designation. Anonymity, namelessness. 26. Truthful. Adjective. Honest, sincere. Dishonest, false. 27. Trustworthy. Adjective. Reliable, dependable. Untrustworthy, unreliable. One. Several. Adjective. Many, numerous. Few, none. 2. Events. Noun, plural. Incidents, occurrences. Inactivity, stillness. 3. Early. Adjective. Initial, preliminary. Late, final. 4. Adulthood. Noun. Maturity, grown-up stage. Childhood, infancy. 5. Illustrate, slash. Verb. Explain, demonstrate. Confuse, obscure. 6. Noble, slash. Adjective. Honorable, dignified. Lowly, ignoble. 7. Concern, slash. Noun. Care, interest. Indifference, neglect. 8. Incident. Noun. Event, occurrence. Inactivity, peace. 9. Participation. Noun. Involvement, engagement. Withdrawal, avoidance. 10. Ilfalfujal. Noun, proper. Act of justice. Injustice, oppression. 11. Act. Noun. Agreement, treaty. Dispute, conflict. 12. Formed. Verb. Established, created. Destroyed, broke. 13. Defend. Verb. Protect, guard. Attack, neglect. 14. Oppressed. Adjective. Downtrodden, persecuted. Free, privileged. 15. Uphold. Verb. Maintain, support. Oppose, reject. 16. Later. Adverb. Afterward, subsequently. Earlier, before. 17. Speak. Verb. Talk, express. Silence, mute. 18. Fondly. Adverb. Lovingly, affectionately. Coldly, harshly. 19. Alliance. Noun. Union, partnership. Conflict, opposition. 20. Declaring. Verb. Proclaiming, announcing. Hiding, denying. 21. Even, slash. Adverb. Still, indeed. Uneven, odd. 22. Advent. Noun. Arrival, emergence. Departure, disappearance. 23. Still, slash. Adverb. Yet, nevertheless. Already, no longer. 24. Honor. Verb slash noun. Respect, esteem. Disrespect, insult. 25. Cause, slash. Noun. Reason, purpose. Effect, result. 26. Moment. Noun. Instant, time. Eternity, delay. 27. 27. Wise. Adjective. Intelligent, knowledgeable. Foolish, ignorant. 28. Arbitration. Noun. Mediation, judgment. Conflict, fight. 29. During. Preposition. Throughout, while. Before, after. 30. Reconstruction. Noun. Rebuilding, restoration. Destruction, demolition. 31. Dispute. Noun. Disagreement, conflict. Agreement, harmony. 32. Arouse. Verb. Awaken, provoke. Calm, suppress. 33. Among. Preposition. Between, amidst. Outside, beyond. 34. Regarding. Preposition. Concerning, about. Ignoring, excluding. 35. Placing. Verb. Putting, positioning. Removing, displacing. 36. Impartial. Adjective. Fair, neutral. Biased, partial. 37. Insightful. Adjective. Perceptive, wise. Dull, unobservant. 38. Solution. Noun. Answer, resolution. Problem, confusion. 39. Prevented. Verb. Stopped, avoided. Allowed, encouraged. 40. Conflict, slash. Noun. Fight, dispute. Peace, agreement. 41. Earned. Verb. Achieved, received. Lost, wasted. 42. Admiration, slash. Noun. Respect, appreciation. Criticism, hatred. 43. Quarters, slash. Noun, plural. Areas, sections. Whole, entirety. One. Significant. Adjective. Important, notable. Insignificant, trivial. 2. Chapter, slash. Noun. Section, phase. Whole, entire book. 3. Outstanding, slash. Adjective. Exceptional, excellent. Ordinary, mediocre. 4. Virtue, slash. Noun. Goodness, morality. Vice, sin. 5. Intellect. Noun. Intelligence, understanding. Ignorance, stupidity. 6. Acumen, slash. Noun. Insight, sharpness. Dullness, ignorance. 7. Inherited. Verb. Received, acquired. Lost, forfeited. 8. Prosperous. Adjective. Wealthy, successful. Poor, deprived. 9. Trade. Noun. Business, commerce. Unemployment, joblessness. 10. Managed. Verb. Handled, controlled. Mismanaged, failed. 11. Success. Noun. Achievement, victory. Failure, defeat. 12. Upon, slash. Slash. Preposition. On, after. Off, away from. 13. Hearing. Noun. Listening, audition. Ignoring, deafness. 14. Integrity. Noun. Honesty, uprightness. Dishonesty, corruption. 15. Dealings. Noun. Transactions, interactions. Avoidance, neglect. 16. Entrusted. Verb. Assigned, delegated. Withheld, denied. 17. Expedition. Noun. Journey, mission. Retreat, delay. 18. Syria. Noun. Upper. 19. Deeply, slash. Adverb. Intensely, profoundly. Slightly, casually. 20. Impressed. Verb. Moved, inspired. Disappointed, indifferent. 21. Graceful, slash. Adjective. Elegant, refined. Clumsy, awkward. 22. Conduct. Noun. Behavior, actions. Misconduct, misbehavior. 23. Upright, slash. Adjective. Honest, moral. Corrupt, deceitful. 24. Later. Adverb. Afterward, subsequently. Earlier, before. 25. Proposed, slash. Verb. Suggested, offered. Refused, opposed. 26. Through. Preposition. Via, by means of. Around, beyond. 27. Built. Built. Verb. Constructed, developed. Destroyed, broke. 28. Mutual. Adjective. Shared, reciprocal. One-sided, individual. 29. Respect. Noun. Honor, esteem. Disrespect, insult. 30. Affection. Noun. Fondness, love. Hatred, coldness. 31. Stood, slash. Verb. Supported, remained. Withdrew, abandoned. 32. Beside, slash. Preposition. Next to, near. Away from, apart. 33. Supporter, slash. Noun. Helper, advocate. Opponent, enemy. 34. Providing. Verb. Giving, supplying. Withholding, depriving. 35. Emotional. Adjective. Sentimental, feeling. Indifferent, cold. 36. Financial. Adjective. Economic, monetary. Not financial, emotional. 37. Support, slash. Noun slash verb. Assistance, aid. Opposition, resistance. 38. Most. Most. Adjective slash adverb. Majority, mainly. Least, few. 39. Challenging, slash. Adjective. Difficult, demanding. Easy, simple. 40. Early. Adjective. Initial, primary. Late, final. 41. Divine, slash. Adjective. Godly, sacred. Worldly, unholy. 42. Mission, slash. Noun. Task, assignment. Aimlessness, idleness. One. Approached. Verb. Came near, advanced. Retreated, withdrew. 2. Became. Verb. Turned into, grew. Ceased, stopped being. 3. Saddened. Verb. Upset, depressed. Pleased, cheered. 4. Concerned. Adjective. Worried, anxious. Carefree, indifferent. 5. Moral. Adjective. Ethical, righteous. Immoral, wicked. 6. Injustice. Noun. Unfairness, cruelty. Justice, fairness. 7. Prevailed. Verb. Dominated, triumphed. Failed, lost. 8. Makkah. Adjective. Of Makkah. 9. Society. Noun. Community, civilization. Individual, Isolation. 10. Frequently. Adverb. Often, regularly. Rarely, seldom. 11. Retreat, slash. Noun slash verb. Seclusion, withdraw. Advance, attack. 12. Cave. Noun. Hollow, cavern. Open space, plain. 13. Seeking. Verb. Searching, pursuing. Ignoring, avoiding. 14. Solitude. Noun. Noun. Isolation, privacy. Crowd, company. 15. Reflection, slash. Noun. Meditation, thought. Neglect, thoughtlessness. 16. Meditative. Adjective. Reflective, contemplative. Distracted, restless. 17. Appeared. Verb. Emerged, showed. Disappeared, vanished. 18. Revelation. Noun. Divine message, inspiration. Concealment, ignorance. 19. Responded. Verb. Replied, reacted. Ignored, remained silent. 20. Angel. Noun. Divine being, messenger. Devil, demon. 21. Following, slash. Preposition slash verb slash adjective. After, subsequent. Preceding, before. 22. Verses. Noun, plural. Lines, revelations. Prose, blank. 23. Revealed. Verb. Disclosed, uncovered. Concealed, hidden. 24. Thy, slash. Pronoun, archaic. Your, thine. 25. Lord, slash. Noun. God, master. Servant, slave. Slave. 26. Created. Verb. Made, formed. Destroyed, ruined. 27. Clot, slash. Noun. Lump. Noun. Lump, coagulated blood. Liquid, flow. 28. Congealed. Verb. Solidified, thickened. Melted, dissolved. 29. Bountiful, slash. Adjective. Generous, abundant. Scarce. 30. Taught. Verb. Educated, instructed. Ignored, misled. 31. New. Paragraph 7. No. English, Urdu. Parts of speech. Synonyms. Antonyms. 1. Marked. 1. Marked, slash. Verb slash adjective. Highlighted, indicated. Ignored, erased. 2. Beginning. Noun. Start, commencement. End, conclusion. 3. Brought. Brought. Verb, past tense. Carried, delivered. Took away, removed. spiritual. Adjective. Divine, religious. Physical, material. 5. Awakening, slash. Noun. Awareness, realization. Ignorance, sleep. 6. Initiated. Verb. Began, launched. Stopped, ended. 7. Radical, slash. Adjective. Extreme, revolutionary. Moderate, conservative. 8. Transformation. Noun. Change, revolution. Stagnation, sameness. 9. Socio-political. Adjective. Social and political. Apolitical, isolated. 10. Fabric, slash. Noun. Structure, framework. Disintegration, collapse. 11. Call, slash. Noun slash verb. Invitation, summon. Silence, neglect. 12. Belief. Noun. Faith, conviction. Doubt, disbelief. 13. Oneness, slash. Noun. Unity, monotheism. Polytheism, division. 14. Challenged, slash. Verb. Questioned, opposed. Accepted, supported. 15. Rooted, slash. Adjective slash verb. Established, embedded. Detached, uprooted. 16. Practices, slash. Noun. Customs, habits. Neglect, disuse. 17. Idolatry. Noun. Idol worship, polytheism. Monotheism, belief in one God. 18. Class privilege. Noun. Social advantage, elitism. Equality, social justice. 19. Injustice. Noun. Unfairness, oppression. Justice, fairness. 20. Late, slash. Verb. Placed, established. Removed, destroyed. 21. Foundation. Noun. Base, groundwork. Collapse, toppling. 22. Based on. Phrase. Founded upon, built upon. Baseless, unrelated. 23. Accountability. Noun. Responsibility, answerability. Irresponsibility, exemption. 24. Compassion, slash. Noun. Kindness, empathy. Cruelty, indifference. Life. Noun. Existence, living. Death. Non-existence. 2. Never. Adverb. Not ever, at no time. Always, ever. 3. Same. Adjective. Identical, unchanged. Different, changed. 4. Again. Adverb. Once more, anew. Never again, finally. 5. Once, slash. Adverb. One time, formerly. Often, never. 6. Admired, slash. Verb. Respected, praised. criticized, disrespected. 7. Staunch, slash. Adjective. Loyal, firm. Weak, unfaithful. 8. Opponents. Noun, plural. Enemies, rivals. Supporters, allies. 9. Viewed, slash. Verb. Observed, regarded. Ignored, overlooked. 10. Threat. Noun. Danger, menace. Safety, security. 11. Traditions. Noun, plural. Customs, heritage. Innovations, changes. 12. Authority, slash. Noun. Power, control. Weakness, submission. 13. Faced. Verb. Confronted, encountered. Avoided, escaped. 14. Relentless, slash. Adjective. Persistent, unyielding. Lenient, occasional. 15. Persecution, slash. Noun. Oppression, abuse. Freedom, protection. 16. Economic, slash. Adjective. Financial, commercial. Non-economic, unfinancial. 17. Boycotts, slash. Noun slash verb. Bans, rejections. Support, participation. 18. Ostracism. Noun. Exclusion, banishment. Inclusion, acceptance. 19. Despite. Preposition. Although, even though. Due to, because of. 20. Unwavered, slash. Verb, past. Remain firm, steady. Faltered, wavered. 21. Preached, slash. Verb. Taught, spread. Concealed, denied. 22. Patience. Noun. Tolerance, endurance. Impatience, irritation. 23. Wisdom, slash. Noun. Knowledge, insight. Foolishness, ignorance. 24. Resilience, slash. Noun. Toughness, strength. Weakness, fragility, slash. One. As, slash. Conjunction slash adverb. Because, while. Unlike, although. 2. Oppression. Noun. Tyranny, cruelty. Justice, fairness. 3. Unbearable. Adjective. Intolerable, painful. Bearable, tolerable. 4. Divinely. Adverb. Spiritually, sacredly. Worldly, humanly. 5. Commanded. Verb. Ordered, instructed. Requested, obeyed. 6. Migrate. Verb. Move, relocate. Remain, stay. 7. Migration. Noun. Movement, relocation. Settlement, staying. 8. Decisive. Adjective. Conclusive, critical. Uncertain, hesitant. 9. Turning point. Noun phrase. Milestone, breakthrough. Stagnation, stand still. 10. Established. Verb. Founded, formed. Abolished, destroyed. 11. Charter. Noun. Constitution, document. Repeal, rejection. 12. Crafted, slash. Verb. Created, designed. Destroyed, broke. 13. Introduced. Verb. Presented, initiated. Withdrew, concealed. 14. Principles. Noun, plural. Rules, values. Lawlessness, corruption. 15. Governance. Noun. Administration, rule. Anarchy, mismanagement. 16. Civic. Adjective. Municipal, civil. Rural, private. 17. Quality, slash. Noun. Standard, attribute. Inferiority, defect. 18. Freedom. Noun. Liberty, independence. Slavery, restriction. 19. Rule of law. Noun phrase. Legal order, justice. Lawlessness, tyranny. 20. United. Adjective. Joint, unified. Divided, separated. 21. Diverse. Adjective. Varied, heterogeneous. Uniform, similar. 22. Communities. Communities, slash. Noun, plural. Groups, societies. Individuals, isolation. 23. Guaranteeing. Verb. Assuring, securing. Risking, denying. 24. Protection. Noun. Safety, security. Danger, harm. 25. Citizens. Noun, plural. Inhabitants, residents. Foreigners, outsiders. 26. Regardless. Adverb. Despite, anyway. Considering, depending on. 27. Faith, slash. Noun. Believe, trust. Disbelieve, doubt. 28. Ethnicity, slash. Noun. Race, heritage. 29. Revolutionary. Adjective. Radical, transformative. Conservative, traditional. 30. Model. Noun. Example, pattern. Anomaly, deviation. 31. Coexistence. Noun. Harmony, tolerance. Conflict, hostility. Paragraph. One. Growing. Adjective slash verb. Increasing, expanding. Shrinking, declining. 2. Strength, slash. Noun. Power, energy. Weakness, fragility. 3. Led. Verb. Guided, directed. Followed, obeyed. 4. Several, slash. Adjective. Many, various. Few, some. 5. Encounters, slash. Noun. Meetings, clashes. Avoidance, separation. 6. Major. Adjective. Significant, primary. Minor, trivial. 7. Battle, Noun. Fight, war. Peace, truce. Aid. Badger. Noun. Proper. Name of battle. 9. Remarkable. Adjective. Notable, extraordinary. Ordinary, unremarkable. 10. Victory. Noun. Win, triumph. Defeat, loss. 11. Reinforced. Verb. Strengthened, supported. Weakened, undermined. 12. Legitimacy, / noun. Legality, validity. Illegitimacy, invalidity. 13. Overtime. Phrase. Gradually, eventually. Suddenly, instantly. 14. Further. Adverb / adjective. Additional, more. Less, reduced. 15. Followed, / verb. Came after, pursued. Led, preceded. 16. Culminating. Verb / adjective. Ending in, resulting in. Beginning, starting. 17. Conquest, / noun. Takeover, victory. Surrender, loss. 18. Abbreviation. After hijra. 19. Event. Noun. Incident, occasion. Non-event, normality. 20. Astonishingly. Adverb. Surprisingly, amazingly. Expectedly, ordinarily. 21. Bloodless. Adjective. Peaceful, non-violent. Bloody, violent. 22. Exemplary. Adjective. Ideal, perfect. Flawed, or. 23. Mercy. Noun. Compassion, kindness. Cruelty, harshness. 24. Declared. Verb. Verb. Proclaimed, stated. Concealed, denied. 25. General, / adjective / noun. Common, overall. Specific, particular. 26. Amnesty. Noun. Pardon, forgiveness. Punishment, prosecution. 27. Persecuted. Verb. Oppressed, victimized. Protected, sheltered. 28. Merely, / adverb. Only, simply. Significantly, considerably. 29. Land, / noun. Territory, country. Sea, sky. 30. Spirit, / noun. Soul, enthusiasm. Body, dullness. 31. Triumph. Noun / verb. Victory, success. Failure, defeat. 32. Forgiveness, / noun. Pardon, mercy. Revenge, punishment. 33. Vengeance, / noun. Revenge, retaliation. Forgiveness, pardon. Paragraph 11. during, slash. Adjective slash verb. Lasting, surviving. Temporary, fading. 2. Hostility, slash. Noun. Hatred, enmity. Friendship, peace. 3. Persecution, slash. Noun. Oppression, harassment. Protection, freedom. 4. Declared. Verb. Announced, proclaimed. Concealed, denied. 5. General, slash. Adjective. Common, overall. Specific, particular. 6. Amnesty. Noun. Pardon, forgiveness. Punishment, prosecution. 7. Ardent, slash. Adjective. Passionate, fervent. Indifferent, cold. 8. Unmatched. Adjective. Incomparable, unequaled. Ordinary, inferior. 9. Act, slash. Noun slash verb. Verb. Deed, perform. Neglect, inaction. 10. Compassion, slash. Noun. Mercy, kindness. Cruelty, harshness. 11. Transformed, slash. Verb. Changed, converted. Remain same, preserved. 12. Liberation, slash. Noun. Freedom, emancipation. Captivity, enslavement. 13. Awakening, slash. Noun. Realization, enlightenment. Ignorance, sleep. 14. Across, slash. Preposition slash adverb. Beyond, over. Within, inside. 15. Moment, slash. Noun. Instant, time. Eternity, delay. 16. Description, slash. Noun. Explanation, depiction. Vagueness, silence. 17. Except, slash. Preposition slash conjunction. Excluding, other than. Including, with. 18. Surah. Noun. Islamic term. Chapter of Quran. One. Hijra. Noun. Islamic term. Migration, emigration. Settlement, stay. 2. Spread, slash. Verb. Extend, expand. Contract, limit. 3. Peninsula. Noun. Headland, cape. Inland. 4. Announced. Verb. Declared, proclaimed. Concealed, denied. 5. Intention. Noun. Aim, purpose. Accident, chance. 6. Perform. Verb. Carry out, execute. Neglect, avoid. 7. Farewell. Noun slash adjective. Goodbye, parting. Greeting, welcome. 8. Pilgrimage, slash. Noun. Journey, hajj. 9. Corner, slash. Noun. Inch, Luke. Center, middle. 10. Gathered. Verb. Assembled, congregated. Dispersed, scattered. 11. Accompany. Verb. Join, go with. Leave, abandon. 12. 12. Plain, slash. Noun slash adjective. Field, simple. Mountain, complex. 13. Arafat. Noun, Islamic place. Mount Arafat. 14. Delivered, slash. Verb. Gave, conveyed. Withheld, kept. 15. Sermon, slash. Noun. Speech, address. Silence, neglect. 16. Profound, slash. Adjective. Deep, meaningful. Shallow, trivial. 17. Address, slash. Noun slash verb. Speech, lecture. Ignore, silence. 18. Encapsulated, slash. Verb. Contained, summarized. Expanded, elaborated. 19. Ethical. Adjective. Moral, righteous. Immoral, unethical. 20. Core, slash. Noun. Essence, center. Surface, exterior. 21. Affirmed. Verb. Confirmed, asserted. Denied, rejected. 22. Universal, slash. Adjective. Global, all-inclusive. Local, limited. 23. Dignity, slash. Noun. Honor, nobility. Humiliation, disgrace. 24. 24. Proclaimed. Verb. Declared, announced. Id, denied. 25. Lord, slash. Noun. God, master. Servant, follower. 26. Adam. Noun, proper name. First man. 27. Superiority, verb. Phrase. Dominance, advantage. Equality, inferiority. 28. Through. Preposition. Via, by means of. Around, past. 29. Piety, slash. Noun. Righteousness, holiness. Sinfulness, impiety. 30. Righteous, slash. Adjective. Virtuous, just. Wicked, sinful. 31. Action. Noun. Deed, conduct. Inaction, hesitation. 32. Musnad Ahmad. Noun, Islamic book title. Hadith collection. One. Reached. Verb. Arrived, attained. Departed, left. 2. Fulfillment, slash. Noun. Completion, accomplishment. Failure, neglect. 3. Established. Verb slash adjective. Founded, built. Destroyed, abolished. 4. Believers, slash. Noun, plural. Faithful, followers. Disbelievers, atheists. 5. Modeled, slash. Verb. Shaped, followed. Deviated, neglected. 6. Balanced. Adjective. Fair, stable. Biased, unstable. 7. Truth, slash. Noun. Reality, fact. Falsehood, lie. 8. Inspire, slash. Verb. Motivate, encourage. Discourage, dishearten. 9. slash. Verb slash noun. Lead, direct. Mislead, confuse. 10. Transcending, slash. Verb. Surpassing, rising above. Falling short, limited by. 11. Barriers. Noun, plural. Obstacles, blocks. Paths, openings. 12. Culture. Noun. Civilization, tradition. Barbarism, ignorance. 13. Shining, slash. Adjective slash verb. Glowing, radiant. Dull, dark. 14. Excellence, slash. Noun. Superiority, perfection. Mediocrity, inferiority. 15. Mankind. Noun. Humanity, humankind. Animals, inhumanity.